What's up guys, welcome back. If you're new, please hit subscribe, like this video. We're going to try to do a outdoor creative series where I can talk about some of the cameras and action cameras that I use to film my hunts and my fishing videos. Now I think that the best thing to use for hunting and fishing videos is a GoPro. I have 3 of them. I have 2 of the Hero Plus with the Bluetooth, and then I have a GoPro Hero 4. Now this Hero 4, I have a GoPro head strap as well as a extended battery pack on the back. And that extends my battery life up to about 2.5 hours if I'm not continuously shooting, and about 1.5 hours if I am continuously shooting. Since I'm not continuously shooting, I have a 64 gig card, and in the rest of my cameras I'm using the same card as well as one 128 gigabyte card. In my other cameras I have 3 of the 64 gigabyte cards, just in case one fills up I have a backup, and I'm using a 128 gigabyte card on the GoPro Hero 4 when I'm fishing, since I'm continuously filming. Now when I'm continuously filming, I'm using an external battery pack. This is the Anchor from Amazon, and I just put that in my pocket while I have the GoPro Hero 4 on a chest strap. When I'm fishing, I'll take the Hero Plus, and since I have 2 of the Hero Plus GoPros, I'll switch them out since they can continuously film for about 2 hours just on the standard battery. And I'll put those behind me for the hook sets and stuff like that, or when I'm showing the fish. That way I'm not just showing it on my front camera the whole time, or my head camera the whole time. I have alternate angles to kind of give the videos a little bit more body to them. Now as far as DSLRs go, I started out with the Nikon D3300, and this camera has been great. It lacks a lot of the video qualities that I really wanted, and since it's a crop sensor, I wasn't able to get it as wide as I really wanted to. Even with the 18mm, I'm still somewhere around 35mm with the crop, and I wanted to upgrade that. So now I have the Nikon Z6, which I'm filming with right now. I'll get you guys a video of that, show you what I've got. So I'll use the Z6 when I'm not in the water. I don't really want to get this thing destroyed by the water, dropping it or something like that. So I'll carry the 3300 with me so that if I do drop it, I'm not really out a whole lot of money, but it still takes very good video and I can take pictures while I'm out there with it. If I'm fishing, I will still take the Z6 with me just because it takes much better video. I can control how much water I get in the boat since I'm not moving that fast, and the weather conditions aren't as harsh. I can keep this thing very dry and I don't have to worry about it getting destroyed while I'm out there. So I think that's about it for my setup. As far as a basic setup goes, if you guys are looking for a setup like this, I have everything linked in the description below. You can find everything that I've got on Amazon, and if you want me to go into a deeper dive of my gear, leave a comment below and I'll make more videos like this. Like I said, this is going to be what I consider the creative outdoor series, where I'll deep dive into a lot more of my gear and my editing styles, and that way if you guys are trying to make your own videos, hopefully you can find this useful. So thanks for tuning in. Catch you guys on the next one.